Kev and welcome to this short SERT training session or video just to introduce you to what we do here at SERT Training.
Oh, the sun's gone in. What are we going to do? The sun's gone in. Oh, right, notice the sun's gone in, it's dropped right off. Yeah, which is not going to be a good sign.
So over here we have our solar panels. We have our special light that can recreate sunlight. We have our inverters. We have our battery storage. And we've got battery storage again over there in solar panels. And on our course, you'll be removing these panels, testing them, making sure they're compatible to the outer sleeve and the outer cable. Try and get it right.
We work in the renewable sector, and so courses within solar, retrofit, air source heat pump is of direct benefit to our clients who are looking to source those skills for their own businesses. You know, I look across at the sales guys and also the support staff, and I'm very happy with the team we've assembled. The technical trainers are all absolutely first class.
That's going to be what?
There's a Domino's, there's a Subway, there's a cafe, and of course we've got tea and coffee on site, and we've got our fantastic car park